I can't even explain what I saw on the video. The first time we saw it, it was on the video. It was as if I was dreaming. Unfortunately, it wasn't a dream, seeing my child lying there, watching my son-in-law saying such things. I don't know what could have pushed him to do this. He never mentioned any problems to us.
All I can say is that we couldn't see any issues between them, except the one time he ran over her with a car. I could see that he'd been abusing her for a while. She broke up with him, and he'd create different Facebook accounts, and she'd block him each time. He came here under the pretenses of going to buy clothes for the child together. That's the only way he could access her. He is lying when he says the child is not his. He's just a coward. He should have come here to tell us that he suspected he was raising a child that isn't his. Just like he came here to ask for her hand in marriage. Why would he marry her if that were the case?